Welcome to another video. Today we are going to learn the Sumif function in Microsoft Excel. So watch till then. Okay, let's start. Sumif is a function which is used to sum up certain values against a single criteria or a single condition. For example, Sumif will search for a single criteria or condition in one column and sum up the total values which are matching that criteria or condition. Now, Sumif has three parts. It has three arguments. Number one is the range. Range is a table or a column from which we have to search the condition. Number two is criteria. Criteria is the condition or is the value for which we are looking for. Number three is sum range. Sum range is the range or a column from which we have to extract the result, from which we have to sum up the values. So now the Sumif formula can be written in this order. Sumif, the syntax of the formula is range, comma, criteria, comma, sum range. So let's say we have to calculate the total amount for Miss Priya from this table through Sumif. How we can do it? Now let's see. We have purchased several times from Miss Priya in the given period. We can do this manually if the data is small. In case of large data, we can use Sumif. So first of all, go to the cell where you want the result, press equal or plus sign, write Sumif. The first criteria, the range. So we will select the column in which Miss Priya is based, in which we can find Miss Priya. The second argument is the criteria. So in this case we are looking for Miss Priya. So the criteria is Miss Priya. And the third criteria, the third argument is sum range. So we have the values in this column. So we have to sum up the total values from this column for Miss Priya. So now Excel, now the Sumif will search Miss Priya in column number 2 and sum up the total values for Miss Priya from column number 4. So let's see. Press enter. So here it is. This is one way to use Sumif. The second way is we'll write formula in the same way. Sumif, we will select the range. So now for the criteria we can write it. Like in this case for Mr. Rajesh, we can write Mr. Rajesh in inverted commas, then comma, and the sum range. So here's the result. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and share if you like the video.